how to introduce ourselves easily. Let's take a look this one. Okay everyone, number one, introduce our name. Example, my name is Adam Smith. My name is Adam Smith. I am Adam. I am Adam. My nickname is Adam. My nickname is Adam. My full name is Adam Smith. My full name is Adam Smith. My first name is Adam. My first name is Adam. Please call me Adam. Please call me Adam. Just call me Adam. Just call me Adam. You may call me Adam. You may call me Adam. You can call me Adam. You can call me Adam. Number two, introduce our address. Example, my address in Enreka. My address in Enreka. I live in Enreka. I live in Enreka. I live on Diponegoro Street. I live on Diponegoro Street. I live at Media Building. I live at Media Building. I grew up in Enreka. I grew up in Enreka. I spend my life in Enreka. I spend my life in Enreka. Number three, introduce our age. Example, I am 51 years old. I am 51 years old. I am 15. I am 51. I am over 51 years. I am over 51 years. I am almost 51 years. I am almost 51 years. I am nearly 51 years. I am nearly 51 years. I am around your age. I am around your age. Number four, introduce our family. Example, I have one brother. I have one brother. I have two sisters. I have two sisters. There are 5 persons in my family. There are 5 persons in my family. There are 5 of us in my family. There are 5 of us in my family. I live with 5 persons. I live with 5 persons. My family have 5 persons. My family have 5 persons. Number 5, introduce our birthday and other information. Example, my birthday is on 2nd March. My birthday is on 2nd March. My mobile phone is 123. My mobile phone is 123. My office in Enreka. My office in Enreka. My email address is media@gmail.com. My email address is media@gmail.com. My website is www blah blah blah. My website is www blah blah blah. Okay, number 6, introduce our job. Example, I am a worker. I am a worker. I work as engineer. I work as engineer. I work in foreign company. I work in foreign company. I work for financial company. I work for financial company. I have been working for 15 years. I have been working for 15 years. Number 7, introduce our hobby. Example, my hobby is reading. My hobby is reading. My hobbies are reading and singing. My hobbies are reading and singing. I like reading. I like reading. I am good at computer. I am good at computer. In my free time, I like browsing. In my free time, I like browsing. Number 8. Introduce our favorite. Example, my favorite subject is English. My favorite subject is English. My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite drink is milk. My favorite place in mountain. My favorite place in mountain. My favorite singer is Michael Learns-to-Rock. My favorite singer is Michael Learns-to-Rock. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. My favorite pet is cat. My favorite pet is cat. Number 9. Introduce our marital status. Example, I am a single. I am a single. I am married. I am married. I have married. I have married. I am a widower. I am a widow or widower. I have divorced. I have divorced. I have a boyfriend. I have a boyfriend. I have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend. Okay, everyone, that is the self-introduction. How to introduce yourself easily. Thank you very much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you very much. See you later. Next.